These videos were originally intended for my own amazing grandkids, Maya, Jacob, Zachary, Amelia and Inika. But we thought, having made them, why not let everybody play? April 2020, all of our lives have been turned upside down with this coronavirus. So we've been looking for things to amuse ourselves at DIY Doctor. And our sister building company Foundation's up. We just need to have some fun during the day. And so we thought we'd try a few science experiments. Then we kind of figured you might get something out of them as well. So this is for all the people stuck indoors that have got a few of these bits and pieces. I had no idea how much stuff scientists need. But we hope you have fun with it, and we're going to be making some cool stuff. Okay, so for our first experiment at home, you're going to need a roll of roofing felt, a little drill, a gallon of creosote and a chop saw. Not really. Welcome to another DIY Dr. Science experiment. This time we're going to make a volcano. That's exciting, at least I think it is. We're going to use a small fruit shoot bottle. This one, we've taken the top off, and we use that in another one of our videos called Making a Hovercraft, so go and have a look at that. And the bottle we're going to use as the core, the centre, where the action happens. That's the centre, the core of our volcano. So into our bottle, we've already put a little bit of warm water, about an inch or 25 millimetres of warm water in there. We're going to add some food colouring, red. You can use whatever colour you like. I'm going to tip that in, about 5 or 6 drops, something like that. A squirt of fairy liquid. That's it, not too much. And 2 tablespoonfuls of baking powder. Now we've made a funnel out of a piece of paper and made that into a cone, chopped the end off so that we've got a hole through the middle. That's our funnel, and we're going to use 2 tablespoonfuls of baking powder. This isn't quite a tablespoonful, so we'll put a little bit more in. Put that in there, give it a shake. So get an adult to help you at home and measure out 2 tablespoonfuls. I'm just guessing using this teaspoon. Working on the principle that maybe there's 2 teaspoonfuls to a tablespoon, I don't know. Okay, so there we go. 2 tablespoonfuls of baking soda in there, or bicarbonate soda. And then we're going to give all of that a little bit of a mix. Give it a shake, okay? As I say, you'll need to get an adult to help you with some of this, and that is the core of our volcano. We're going to put that in some sand. You can use whatever you like, and we're going to make sure that it tilts slightly towards you so that when the volcano goes off, you'll be able to see it erupting down to the front. Okay, so that's our volcano. We need to cover up the core so it looks realistic, okay, and then maybe make a channel down there for you so that you can see all of the lava coming out. So there's our volcano. We're lucky because we're builders. We've got all sorts of things in the yard, so we can put some slate on the volcano on the side of the mountain so it looks realistic. And who knows, they might turn this video into a feature film. Who knows? Okay, so we've prepared our volcano in the core. It's all ready to go. I'm so excited. Now we're going to get some vinegar, and we're going to tip the vinegar into the core of our volcano. Wow, look at that! There's our eruption! That is a volcano. If we get it stick in there, in the core, give it a bit of a stir, we can get a bit more lava. A bit more vinegar. Wow! If we just keep adding a little bit of vinegar at a time, we can keep the eruption going. How about that? That's a lot of fun, isn't it? If you like that one, take a look at some of the other DIY Dr. Science videos. We're builders really, we're not scientists, but it's a whole lot of fun.